Cerebral palsy is a coordination disability that affects muscle movement. I always say it's a brain damage because really it's with me. The cause of lack of oxygen when I was born, it damaged the cerebral part of the brain. People's attitude and perception, those are some of the challenges. But I'm now even realizing that it's not even from discrimination, but it's more like you also coming in as a threat, because now people never expected you to achieve certain things, and people can achieve. Now you are more of a threat, and that can be difficult. In 2 years' time, I'm hoping to be one of the best speakers internationally, and possibly even have an international TV show.